Alright, so if your Nest Doorbell, the battery version, won't latch onto the mount or bracket, the latch gets stuck, or just won't click into the place, here is how you can fix it. Now, if you press a tool into the release hole at the top, you will notice that this release button moves inward. Now, if that button is stuck in this press position, this may be the reason you can't attach the base plate properly, because it won't lock the plate in place. To fix this, take a paper clip, SIM ejector, or similar tool and just repeatedly press and release the button through the top hole until it moves freely once again. To reattach the base plate, first you're going to align this round lock button at the bottom. Once it's properly seated, especially since you are wall mounting it, press the top inwards and then upwards until you hear or feel it click into place. The top latch will snap onto the small round locking point, securely holding the base plate into the position. If you want, you can just check it by yourself. Now, if you're using a wired installation, don't connect the wires first and then try to attach the base plate. Instead, attach the base plate first and then connect the wires from the front. If you're mounting the doorbell onto an already installed mount, start by aligning the bottom hooks or lock points, and if needed, use both your hands to press the doorbell inwards while sliding it upwards at the same time. Once properly aligned, it should click into place and securely attach to the mount. If you need any more assistance with it, just let us know in the comments. We're here to help you. Thanks for your time.